Good morning, sir. My name is Piyush Goenka and I am pursuing PGDM BM from Section B. And the topic of my presentation is Impact of Price on the Business. Now we look the flow of my presentation. First one is company profile. Second, range of company product. Third, case introduction. Fourth, relevance with the management subject. Fifth, SWOT analysis. Sixth, individual assessment. And seventh is conclusion. Now we will look the company profile, that is Armada Cable. Armada Cable is one of the largest manufacturer of the cable. Armada Cable is a subsidiary of Belcom Cable. Armada Cable established in 2012 in United Kingdom. Armada Cable covered the European market area and the sector of the Armada Cable is marine, oil, gas, transport, etc. The specialized sector of Armada Cable was marine cable. The range of Armada products. First one is LAN cable. It is a cable which is used in wired network, for example, router, PCs, switches, etc. Second one is field bus cable. Field bus cable are used in measurement and control system for connecting the field device with the center. The cable are usually used in the field. Third one is fiber optic cable. These cables are used to transmit high definition television signal which has a data bandwidth and speed. Fourth one, coaxial cable. Coaxial cable are used as transmission line for radio frequency, video and data signal. Fifth one, data multipair cable. These can be found in office, equipment, infrastructure, carrying signal and data of all kinds. Sixth one, power and instrumentation cable. These cables are designed for marine installation on all kinds of working boats and vessels, including cruise ships. Now we will look the case study of Armada cable. The Armada cable deals in cable of all varieties. Recently, it has launched a new product to increase its revenue and take the company to a new heights. The company has got a contract from a government institution. This institution works for non-profit motive and whosoever works for them will have to work at subsidized rate. So the company will have to take less money but will get tax benefit. However, the prime objective of company otherwise is profit maximization. Whatsoever the condition, the company can't go beyond a level as far as pricing is concerned. One such reason is the amount of fund it put in both the working capital or fixed capital. The management of the company has recently come to know about a great opportunity arising in Europe for it. However, the management of the company had decided that in this case they can lower the price of the cable. This has been done keeping in mind the presence of other European competitors who can lower the prices of their cable in order to survive in the market. The case study of Armada Cable is related to the marketing management subject. What is marketing? Marketing is a social process of identifying needs and wants and satisfying them through created market offering by giving something of value to the customer with the help of exchange mechanism. Here we can see that the management is concerned about the pricing objective and the management use one of the marketing mix P, that is a product like innovation in packaging. From we conclude that the subject is related to marketing. Now we look the strength, weakness, opportunity, threats of Armada cable. The strength. The first one was strong distribution network. The parent company of Armada Cable, that is Belcom, has a strong distribution network. The company exports its cable over 60 countries. The second, a strong global presence. Having a strong distribution network, the Armada Cable has established its footprint in the global market. Weakness. Dependent on the one key supplier. Companies dependent on a supplier. Any unanticipated problem and interruption with this supplier could have a material adverse effect on the Armada cable. Armada cable needs a supplier who is reliable, reputable, and has the ability to supply massive amount of raw material at the right time in the right place. Threat, competition. Having a global footprint, Armada Cable have to face stiff competition. Second one, stringent regulation. Operating in the wire and cable industry as well as having global presence, Armada Cable has to expose numerous complex rules and regulation. The regulation range from import and export rules, individual government policies on the industry, telecommunication rules, which may threat the growth strategy, performance, and reputation. Fourth is opportunities, expansion into emerging market. As there are massive growth and wealth coming from the emerging market, the Armada Cable can tap this market. For example, India are one of the largest market right now. Government initiative. Many foreign government take various initiative in power and infrastructure. There is a huge requirement of cable in future. Individual assessment. Identify the various factors affecting price determination in the above case. The first one, extent of competition in the market. In this case, in order to beat the competition, Armada Cable has decided to keep the price low as there is tough competition in the market. Second, government and legal regulations. This institution works for non-profit motive, and whosoever works for them will have to work at subsidized rate. So the company will have to take less money but will get tax benefit. This will impact the Armada Cable as they have to provide cable at low price. Marketing technique use. For his metro cities based customer, the Armada Cable decided to adopt various methods like improvement quality of salesman, innovation in packaging, and liberal credit terms, etc. Fourth, product cost. The Armada Cable decided to put amount of funds in fixed capital like plant and machinery or working capital, which will lower the most limit of the price. Fifth, utility and demand. Company have analyzed the European market and there is a huge demand in the market. There is a high quantity requirement. The company ready to pay double the price provided by the cables so that they are available to them within a short period of time. 6. Pricing objective. This has been done in keeping in mind the presence of other European competitors who can lower the price of their cable in order to survive in the market. From the above case study, it is concluded that when company want to capture a definite percentage of market share, they go for price setting, keeping in mind the long duration of time. Prices are kept to be low per unit. Second, when company do not have any other option and face very stiff competition from their competitor on the price front, they have to lower their price in order to survive. Third, company can use non-price competition method. It means that organization use strategies other than price to attack customer. Advertising, credit, delivery, display, etc. are all example of tools which are used in non-price competition. Thank you.